Hi, welcome to this video, how to reset your YouTube feed. So go ahead and open your YouTube, and we need to wipe our watch and search history. Now, if you want to wipe your watch history, click your profile icon in the bottom right, press history under your channel's profile avatar, hit the three dots in the top right, press the second option, clear all watch history. That will clear all your watched videos or clips or even shorts. Next, what you're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and double click my profile icon in the bottom right to see my settings or my profile. Hit the settings gear in the top right, press manage all history, and choose to delete at all time, right? So gonna hit delete here, press this third option, delete all time. Alright, double click of course to confirm. This erases the data that algorithm uses, giving you a completely fresh start. Consider liking this video, subscribe, it really helps with the channel. Until next time, see you.